Good morning everyone, what's going on? Back at it with a new video. But before we get started with the IS-500, a few updates since the last video. We went to Florida, came back, did some yard work, put these in. As you see, we have a van in the driveway, and no, I do not own this thing. It's a loaner. My 4Runner is in the shop, and we'll talk about that in a different video. We also got the garage finished. I have plugs all over now outside. Power is working. We got lights. We got spotlight. We got a couple more lights around the back. More of these all over the garage. A lot more inside. But let's go ahead, go inside and see what's new with the IS.
Explorers, pioneers, not caretakers. Life exists in identity. The powerful play goes on that you may contribute in verse.
Alright, let's walk around the IS-500, talk about what's new. Let's talk about what we covered when it comes to the PPF. Quick walk around video. She's looking beautiful, nice and clean. My favorite angle. Oh, beautiful. Alright, so we got the full front PPF on the car. All this is covered, as mentioned, all the way to the back. They fixed my little rock chips that I had here, and they fixed the rock chips they also had on this side. Fully covered PPF. This is covered with PPF. I could see a couple bubbles here from scratches that were on the black part here. But other than that, all this is covered. I honestly can't even tell until I put my hand in there and feel the back edge, and he covered it to the bottom also here. This side is all covered up. We covered all this down to here. I did not do the bottom part because I do have Frank's mud guards installed. They look really good on the car. They've been working just fine. We got the A-pillars covered. We got partial sunroof. You can't really see it until you get to... Oh, I can't even see it myself. It's right here is where the cutoff is. You kind of could see it this way. But yeah, it's covered up to here. Now we also have the B pillars covered. The door cups. You know, people wearing rings always scratch this, and I do have the door edges. Now, from what I heard, they said this was the hardest piece because there was, I think was it 3 or 4 pieces that had to go together. So there's the top part, the side part, there's this, and I think there was the under or something like that. But it was a few parts that had to go on for the mirror part to come together. I did not do anything inside the car, the frames or anything. They look fine, they've never been scratched. No one really uses the back seat either, but I do have the cups also covered back here. The car got a full detail. Drove it for about 2 weeks and then washed it myself again. Overall, I definitely recommend. I went to Luster Detail Northwest Suburbs here in Palatine. They did a really good job. It was no more than a 3-day turnaround, I think. 2.5 days almost. Definitely exceeded my expectations. With the new LED lights, the car looks beautiful sitting in this garage. The next step is to get the floors fixed here. I am gonna get a cabinet back there for my cleaning supplies. Probably a table somewhere in the back to do some work. But it's coming together. Everything's falling into place. I do recommend everyone get your cars PPF'd. Definitely worth it. I don't know if it's a Toyota thing. I don't know if it's a white color thing, but my 4Runner is white and this is white, and I've noticed paint chips a lot easier than the other cars I've owned in the past. Again, could be a Lexus Toyota thing, could be a white color thing, I'm not too sure. Any questions? Please feel free to leave a comment. Let me know what you guys have PPF'd on your car. But as of now, again, it's a full front covered, A pillars, B pillars, the door cups and the door edges. All this came out to $2,700 roughly. The paint definitely shines a lot better also with the plastic on. You can see the difference between here and then when you walk to the doors. There's a different shine to it. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Peace.